Everybody, welcome to the channel. We are getting ready to carve out here in the tent. We're going to be carving up something totally different, something I haven't done yet. First of all, we got this block of maple. This was caught earlier this year from my house. It's not dry, okay? So this is a really green, fresh piece of maple. Now, what I want to try and carve is a late 60s C10 lowrider pickup truck. That's what we're going to go for. All right, so right here it's really roughed in. I just need like a rough idea where to carve to, and then we'll be removing a lot of material. Never carved a truck before, so this will be a first. Hopefully you guys will stick around. Be sure to give me a thumbs up, hit subscribe, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think about the video, and let's start making some sawdust. detail work is done. 65 C10 lowered. That's what I was going for. Still have paint work to do, which I think is going to be in another video. But yeah, we're going to leave some of the wood grain in here because I like this really cool color going through the maple. We got some curl in there. A couple little things going on. We're going to leave. But the goal, I think, is going to be to have a little bit of a patina blue gray color for paint. I'm going to paint the tires black. Windows will probably be blacked out. We'll add a little bit of color here and there, but we're going to leave quite a bit of wood color on the body and give it like a peeled patina look with a wood underneath kind of finish. That's the goal. In another video, let me know what you guys think. This is my first truck like this, and I think it came out great. Now, I am going to have some problems, I will admit. This is carved from some pretty green maple, and so I just shot clear coat over the top half, and I did not clear the ends here, the bottom, or the sides. Hopefully it'll dry out some, but it's not going to dry out that great. We'll probably end up with a big crack down it, but that's okay for first. I'm not too worried about it. We'll dry out some logs in the future maybe and do it again if people really like this video. So you guys let me know, comment, tell me what you guys think. I don't mind doing these. These trucks are awesome. You guys want to see another truck? Let me know below what it is, year, make, model, style, lowered, lifted. Maybe we'll try another one. This was pretty fun. But if I could have a low truck, it'd probably be this guy right here. I like it. Be sure to give me a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you guys haven't already. When you hit subscribe, hit that bell, hit all. All right, guys, so you don't miss any future uploads here on my channel. Also, big shout out to all my members. You guys rock. Really do appreciate you guys supporting the channel directly. This channel has hit 15,000 subscribers just recently, and that's all because of you guys liking, sharing, and watching, commenting, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you guys. Thank you very much. Listen, inspiration to you new carvers, just go for it. You want to try something new? Just try it. All right, that's it. Have an awesome day, guys. See you later.